Supreme Court has directed the Union government to forward the entire audio clip submitted by a cookie rights organization who has alleged that the leaked voice recording points to the role played by ex-Manipur Chief Minister Biren in the 2023 ethnic violence to the National Forensic Sciences University (NFSU) in Gujarat. A bench headed by Justice Sanjay Kumar questioned the government, represented by Additional Solicitor General Aishwarya Bhati, about the reason for not sending the audio clip in its entirety. In reply, Additional Solicitor General Aishwarya Bhati said the government had received a 48-minute recording only after the last apex court hearing in December. The law officer said the clip had not been forthcoming despite inquiries for it. The bench asked the petitioner to forward the entire recording to the government and told the government to forward it to the NFSU for expedient action and submission of report in a sealed cover.